Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Tanya Atomic. I'm an independent filmmaker and musician, actress, makeup lover, and cat lover. So that's all stuff that you're going to see if you watch my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, but it's coming from this bag. But it is an unboxing of Apocalyptic Beauty's monthly subscription box. Apocalyptic Beauty is an indie makeup brand. They're cruelty-free and vegan. They have a subscription box that they put out once a month. And it's all in here. It's like four, I believe, makeup products every month. And they have a theme, and it's usually sort of dark and creepy, which is my vibe. And this month's theme, it's July. I usually get the month like at the beginning of the next month. I don't know if it's my billing cycle or why that is, but this is for July. And July's box is Druid. And next month is Cyber Goth. So, oh, that's my cat Max. Oh, Max. Hi. Say hi. You okay? We had pest control was here spraying, so he has to be inside, and he's a little bit dissatisfied because he wants to be outside. So, when that happens, he just, is slightly, he's a good kitty and he's really sweet, but he's dissatisfied right now, so he's a little tiny bit grumpy. He never gets mean or anything like that. He just gets kind of mopey. So he's slightly mopey right now. But anyway, he'll be fine and he'll be able to go out in a couple hours. So this is Apocalyptic Beauty July Druid. The makeup comes in a little drawstring pouch, and they always include a little bit of candy. So this is organic gummy bears. How cute. So this is sort of a foresty theme. The bag has some leaves on it, and here's gummy bears, which I don't know if there's gelatin in here. They're Black Forest organic gummy bears. So I'm going to look up and see if there's gelatin in here before I eat them. I am vegetarian and gelatin is not. So if there is gelatin in these, they will go to my husband because he will eat those. Anyway, very cute. And here's some makeup. It looks like 3 eye products and 1 cheek product. I'm going to go ahead and try these items on. The first thing is Tree of Life. It says it's deep brown with red to orange sparkle, and it is lip safe. And I have used some of these loose shadows as lip toppers as well. This is really pretty, and it's going to match my lips here. So there's that. That is very, 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 very pretty. Super pretty. Okay. These don't have sifters. They are filled to the brim. You get a lot of product, but they don't have sifters. So be very careful because I do have a video out there where I did spill about half of one of these all over myself. So the next thing is Otherworld. It's an iridescent light olive green, and it is not safe. So do not use this as a lip topper. It's very, very pretty. So depending on ingredients, like lip safe, it usually means if it gets in your mouth, it's okay. If it's ingested a tiny bit. Eye safe means that it includes stuff that wouldn't be eye irritants. This is Awen Shimmering Forest Green. Also not lip safe. So that's really gorgeous there. And those are the 3 colors. We do have this last one. This last one here is Shapeshifter. It's a blush or blush topper, and it is lip safe. So what I'm guessing is it's going to have pigment with a little bit of shimmer. Ooh, so it's a light, sort of light mauve color, light, like pinky lavendery. It's really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and do the blush topper first and actually use it as a blush topper. Ooh, that is shimmery. That looks like a highlight. That feels like a highlight to me. I mean, it's a very, very shimmery blush if you do use this as a blush. But it is a very, very pinky highlight to me. I think that's very, very pretty. Because it's cool toned, I think it's going to match the other colors pretty well. I feel like I wouldn't use this color on its own, but I would definitely use it as more of a topper and in place of a highlight. It is very reflective, and it is pigmented, but it's not overly pigmented. I think it would create a nice sheen over another blush, but I think I would like another blush underneath it. So I'm going to finish up my face, and then I'm going to prime my eyes with Pretty Vulgar eye primer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to start the eye look by going in with Druid, the olive green color. I'm going to go into my crease with that color. Max! Hey! My cats are like kind of playing. Oh, actually no, they're playing. But Max is a little bit mopey right now. So he's making weird little sounds. Oh, Max is trying to get Onyx's attention, so if you hear those little chirpy meows, that's what's going on. And the little scampering of feet, that's them chasing each other. That's them, and the little bell, the little scampering of feet and bell sounds. That's them chasing. So I'm gonna go into the outer edge here with the deeper green here. I think the greens look really pretty. I'm gonna go in the little of that kind of brownish reddish color on the lid. I'm just gonna try to see what, if I apply this with my finger, what it will do. Okay, so it does two things. It makes the shimmer brighter and richer, but it does give me a little more fallout because it's, I think because it's a loose shadow and I'm just picking up a bunch with my finger. But I like the way it looks. So I like the way it looks. I'm gonna try it on this other eye too. Yeah, I think that is so much richer that way. And just because I have a shape going on here, I think what I'm going to do is take that deeper green. I'm going to take this deeper green and do a line on my underside, on my lower lash. I actually placed way too much because it's a loose shadow and I didn't realize how much I was picking up, so gotta be careful. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the olive green to try to blend that out a little bit so it isn't such a crazy dark line. Okay, I think that did it. It is definitely dark, but I think I softened it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara and liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and this is everything done. I really like this month's. I think it's really pretty. I like the way it looks. I tried putting the blush topper on the inner corner and it just kind of looked a little bit purpley, didn't really do much. So I think I'm gonna leave it as a blush topper. Maybe as an eyeshadow topper as well, but not as an inner corner highlighter. Anyway, yeah, what do you guys think? Do you get Apocalyptic Beauty? Are you interested in it? It's fairly inexpensive for everything that you get. And I like how they put the themes together, and you can always do a cohesive look with what you get. So that's one of the things I really like about it. So anyway, yeah, like I said, look forward to next month's Cyber Goth. Let me know if you have any comments, questions below. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.